This is a review of the reflective pinstriping from 3M that's in yellow that I'm going to be doing a review about. In this review, we're going to show you guys everything about this 3M, reflective pinstripe. Now, I use this for my project for my 2011 Mustang. As you guys know, Halloween is just around the corner, and I decided to do my thing and pretty much change everything up. And you can see here, the quality of this is really, good. And I do want to say that to install it, so you could pretty much it's not just for as a decoration thing, but it's like a reflective to pretty much protect you from a safety hazard. So I'm going to show you guys one thing. When I close the lights out, it's going to look really cool and really nice. So this is used for pretty much to stick on your cars or pretty much for any other surface you could put on if you would like to. But, for my thing or for pretty much anybody else that's wanting to, purchase a set of these 3M reflective pinstriping, it's mostly used for, to pretty much to put on your vehicle. And I used this on my vehicle, and I had to use pretty much a heat surface up, and what I have to use is like a hair dryer to pretty much warm it up, so that way it sticks on. But you can see here that the quality of this is really amazing, and it sticks on very well. Now I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn the lights off to show you guys how it is when it's pretty much dark. And so pretty much if there's like pole lights on the road or pretty much anything like at night that's reflective that's hitting it on the car itself, then it's gonna light up. So that's what I'm about to show you guys in 1 second. Okay, so I have the lights off, and this is right over here. You can see how reflective it is at nighttime. The videos doesn't do the justice on how cool this thing is. It's definitely gonna grab a lot of attention, and on Halloween especially, and it looks really nice. I plan on to probably keeping this as well too because it looks really nice. The 3M tape, it really does hold on very well. Like, it doesn't come off at all. If you do it right, heat up the surface, pretty much use your hair dryer or a heat gun you could use, but I used a hair dryer to do this job. But pretty much take your time while you do it if you're gonna do any type of striping like how I did. So I use like pinstriping on the two sides to make it look really cool. If you're gonna stick this on your car, make sure you use a heat gun to heat it up so that way it sticks on, because if you stick it on like that, chances are it's gonna come off. So that's one thing to keep in mind. But other than that, the videos doesn't do the justice on how beautiful this thing looks. Like, you can see here how reflective this is. So at nighttime, this is gonna just look exactly what you see in this video. And like I told you guys, the videos doesn't do the justice on how cool this is. I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for a pinstriping job to put on your vehicle, or for anything else you're looking for, like pretty much like a safety hazard. Then this product I would definitely recommend, since it's extremely reflective. You can see very well that from far away you can see something that's pretty yellowish and it's reflective. This is something that's if you're wanting to do something like this, trying to do a DIY project for your vehicle or anything like that, or you're wanting to use it for something different, then I would definitely recommend this because of how it's extremely high quality and it sticks very well, and pretty much it just overall gave a huge improvement to my vehicle.